Hello everyone, I am Diana Pavoni and I am a customer care specialist here at Videotec. Today, we would like to introduce our latest lineup of stainless steel PTZ cameras. Our stainless steel cameras and accessories portfolio is designed for applications in harsh environments, including marine and industrial domains. Our research and development team has redesigned and expanded our offering of PTZ cameras, providing the ideal choice for any outdoor, high salinity or corrosive environments. Besides that, we are now offering some additional plug-in accessories like fiber connection to make the installation even easier. Our country sales manager, Mr. Adriano Vulpio, will dive deep in this latest release, highlighting the benefits of the new product lineup. Stay with us.
Hello everybody, my name is Adriano Vulpio and I'm Videotec Country Manager for UK, Ireland, Nordics and India. First of all, welcome to this Videotec digital event. Now we are speaking about the new PTZ series for maritime environments called Nxptz Series2, and I will show in details how it works and which versions now are we offering. Before speaking about these points, I will show you earlier main points by Videotec and main commitment to excellence from us. So basically, we have some points dealing with this commitment that are about the wide array of products we can offer for security purposes. And then we have also top-level customer service we can offer to customers. So this is possible because we have 3 branches worldwide. We have one in France, another one in USA, another one covering the Asia Pacific, so that we are able to respond very quickly to each customer's needs. Then another point is dealing with the quality and professional products that are following the main standards, of course dealing with the quality certification and assurance. Last point is the unlimited field of outdoor video application we can guarantee. So Videotec is quite an innovative and unique manufacturer because the main focus is about quality of products and as well as about the also way in which the products are offered, engineered, and type of services we are additionally offering to this products range. So as underlined earlier, quality is quite important for us because we are looking after some specific markets, and maritime market is one of these. So since 34 years, we are looking after the challenges of the outdoor surveillance, and if you don't have certain quality standards, then you cannot offer your products. And Videotec is following a very strict and severe path of certification. So it was the first company in the security business accomplishing the quality certification, namely the ISO 9001. Then our commitment was extended also to certification in terms of quality of processes, as well as our commitment to environmental certification dealing with quality. So this engagement is reflected by products themselves and by their robustness and reliability. So it's a central and essential focus for products to be quality certified in order to last for several years and to extend day by day the lifespan of each unit. So this product's quality assurance is followed by an internal laboratory testing activity, and then of course we have external laboratories certifying and proving that this path has been followed very strictly by us, And this is, of course, dealing with international standards, guaranteeing that the products could withstand this or that environment. Moving forward, we can also define some differentiators according which Videotec is a different company from others. First of all, we can offer to customers our internal know-how, which is developed by us entirely without relying to third parties or outsourcing any kind of activity. So from A to Z, what you can find in products is entirely developed by Videotec. Then we have durability as a fixed point because we are offering 3 years as a standard, but of course products and the support we can give on products could be extended more. Products are designed to be following the zero maintenance concept, meaning that once you have installed the product on site, then you don't have to do any type of further actions in order to get the unit working. In addition to that, we have quite a flexible way in which we can interact with customers. For specific requests, we know that we can modify the product in order to be compliant with tender requirements. So we have a variety of custom choices we can offer to customers. So we can apply some changes in order to make the product more flexible. These products are, of course, certified products because if you want to selling your products in maritime market, you have to have the proper certification in order to prove that the product is suitable for that kind of environment. So this is an essential point to be underlined for the maritime range as well. Another point is dealing with the cooperation our products may have with third parties like VMSs or other client devices. This is possible thanks to ONVIF. In fact, Videotec is a contributing member of ONVIF, and we are relying on ONVIF for communicating with other products of our range, of course, but also belonging to third parties. Starting from this year, Videotec has looked after additional services like FAT testing, SAT testing we can offer to customer in order to be a complete manufacturer. Then we are offering also trainings, tailor-made trainings so that the program of trainings can be decided with the customer themselves, and device configuration. So if you have a specific configuration of the unit, we can do it here in-house before shipping to customers. Besides these main differentiators, we have also another priority, which is cybersecurity, because we've seen that customers are more and more concerned about the security of the system from a cybersecurity standpoint. We decided, in fact, to make our firmware more reliable and provide a multi-layer architecture in order to reduce the hackability from the outside. In addition to that, since we have implemented this in accordance with the ONVIF security service specification, day by day we are verifying the status of the update we can have from ONVIF as well as from customers in order to build a more reliable and a more secure unit from a cybersecurity standpoint. Moving forward, we can say that the main certification dealing with this Nxptz Series2 is from Lloyd Register. In fact, if you want to have a unit that can withstand maritime harshness, you must have the unit certified in accordance with this certification scheme. In fact, Lloyd is quite a strict and severe certification scheme. So for us, it's a matter of being compliant with them in order to offer to customers the best level of certification. So Lloyd is guaranteeing that unit is also working in those kind of environments, and in addition to that, we have also certified the unit IP66, 67, 68 and 69, meaning that we have the highest grade of protection level. We did the same thing in accordance with UL standards, so the unit is certified also for the type approval 4X and 6P. So we decided to provide the most complete certification scheme in order to make the unit really reliable and robust. In addition to that, NEMA ratings and IP testing are adding more value to what we did to the unit. In fact, Lloyd Register type approval is something that is guaranteeing that unit not only is able to withstand certain specific conditions as per environmental requirements, but also the Lloyd as putting more value in terms of vibration that can be borne by the unit, as well as temperature range. In fact, the unit is up to 65 degrees Celsius, but we have also tested the unit in a way that can withstand 70 degrees in certain timing conditions. So for a certain amount of time, the unit is also bearing that temperature range. Going deeply into the range of the Maritime series, of course, today we have the main focus on the PTZ system, but we have to add also that Videotec is providing fixed cameras equipped with all the certification range, as well as other devices like washer tanks, cabling options, brackets, and housings that can be coupled with third-party cameras in order to make our range as much extensive as possible. So all these points put together are making Videotec products for maritime range as unbeatable outdoor performing products. So the level we are offering today is something that you are not seeing from anybody else. Now, what is making the unit so robust and reliable? Of course, the hardware make is stainless steel 316L, and we are adding more to that because we have applied the microshock pin working on the surface in order to reduce the corrosion and also the oxidation agents. So the unit is really reliable and can work against salty fog environments as well as other corrosion agents you can find in the maritime environment. In addition to that, we can also say that Videotec PTZ Series2 is quite extended because we are today offering a huge variety of lenses. So the package of the lenses is extended in comparison to the past. So today you are having mainly 3 versions. First one equipped with a visible day and night camera. Second one equipped with a thermal camera. Third one is a dual head, so dual vision camera equipped with a thermal and a visible camera. Now I'm going to show you in details features of each type. So an Nxptz Series2 dealing with a day and night camera can be equipped with a Videotec DELUX camera or SONY camera. The choice depends on which type of performances are you looking for. So Videotec DELUX camera is providing you better performances with regards to vision in the dark. So it's really suitable for dark places and low light conditions. While SONY camera is compliant to those requirements, asking for image stabilization and dynamic privacy masking. Both cameras are 60 frame rate per second and 30 times zoom. So as you can see, all cameras and all products are following the same level of specification in terms of further performances. As per ONVIF, the latest development, we are supporting ONVIF Profile Q, S, and T. Specifically, the Profile T is related to analytics. In fact, all PTZ series belonging to the maritime range are now equipped with Videotec analytics. We will say more afterwards, but for the moment you can say that this feature is adding value, and this is making, of course, the unit more appealing and more compliant than ever to the majority of requirements you can see, also with regards to software application. The second version of the Nxptz Series2 is featuring a thermal camera. Of course, this camera is not only capable of thermal vision, but also through this module you can detect temperature and you can measure it. Basically, you have two ways in which temperature can be measured. You have standard radiometry, meaning that the temperature is being measured pointing the arrow on the central pixel of the screen, or you might have also advanced radiometry. Namely, you have up to 5 regions of interest wherein you can set the temperature threshold, and the temperature, of course, is being measured as the result of the temperature in that box. Then once the threshold is being overcome, an alarm is being sent to the system. Actually, you have also a pre-alarm kind of warning when the temperature of the target is heating. The level of details and accuracy of this sensor is quite accurate, so that you will have the highest level of reliability by this function. So we can say that an Nxptz R can be used also for kind of detailed industrial application, wherein you have the requirement of detailed temperature measurement from the customer. So the third camera we are going to speak about is the dual vision Nxptz T. This camera, in fact, is combining the features of the Sony camera module as per day and night camera and the thermal radiometry camera. So we can say that this dual head camera is quite complete and can cover a large variety of applications, from security ones to industrial ones. Now, moving forward with this presentation, we will underline the new features of this Nxptz 2. Why this unit is providing more than the previous one. Of course, we can say that we have the usual accessories that can be provided by Videotec, like washer tanks, which are as well certified, and cabling and brackets. But what's really new on this camera is the fact that now you have direct fiber connection. We added a new part on the unit side, and we also added the 2 cable entrances. You have one here for fiber and another one for connecting the unit to the power source. Basically, this fiber connection is adding also flexibility, because we are offering the possibility to host SFP modules. These SFP cores have to be sourced by the customer itself, because of course you have a huge variety on the market, from multi-mode to single mode. Videotec PTZ system is supporting both, so we are able to be compliant with the majority of requirements from customers. So this is quite a huge innovation in the market, because if you see, you won't find many manufacturers, many quality manufacturers offering this feature. Additionally, we can say that all the Nxptz Series2 are following the same certification scheme. So you will find all the units certified in the same way, and also with some certification that are making the unit able for selling it in specific markets like the US and Canadian, or Russia, for example. We are also strictly following all the certification regarding the electromagnetic compatibility, vibration, compatibility with specific standards which are varying from country to country. Also, we have had all the units complying with all the strict testing by Lloyd again. So all the units are equipped with the same certification scheme. Another innovation of this Nxptz Series2 is the fact that we have improved our software level, adding analytics. As said earlier, after 10 years of development, Videotec is now able to go out in the market and propose the inbuilt analytics, because of course this is a new market trend, but also is more and more required also for outdoor surveillance. So basically what we wanted to do is to provide on-VIF based analytics so that the unit can advise security operators when the rule we have set has been broken. Basically, these analytics on the visible side are anti-intrusion analytics. So they are quite good also for places that are unmanned, because if a certain behavior which is not following the regular rules which are set on site, then of course the system is capable to communicate them to the operators. In addition to that, this kind of analytics are quite useful for operators, because each Videotec unit is now equipped with GPS coordinates. So these coordinates can be transmitted from one unit to another one in order to make the system more responsive. So this is quite a huge innovation in terms of analytics, because it is more and more required by VTS and maritime systems dealing with the boat traffic and vessels going back and forth from the harbor area. Another important feature to underline is the fact that this communication between Videotec units can be made more responsive, because for example, a fixed camera can communicate the target GPS coordinate to a PTZ camera, and PTZ camera can start also tracking the target movement. So geo move can be associated to the tracking function, and this is adding more value to Videotec video analytics as well. So this is a really important point to be underlined, especially if we see that Videotec now is able to provide a complete maritime package from fixed cameras, PTZ cameras, analytics, washer tanks, accessories options, and this is a really added value for us. So now we are going to see also how it works for fixed cameras in cooperation with PTZ cameras. So thank you for watching this digital event by me, and then my colleagues now are showing you new features of the fixed range. Thank you.